Got the 1966 Dodge Charger. This thing is in immaculate shape. Everything from the inside to the outside, paint job, motor, tires, everything is awesome. We're gonna go for a ride to show you just how it rides.
Hey, Shorty, if you have ever, look at the headliner of this car. I have been around a lot of cars.
Oh, it's like velvet.
I have never seen such detail that has been, look at the dash, look at the gauge steering wheel, the chrome in the car. So this is a real one, 1966 Charger. It is a numbers matching car. It is a frame-off restoration from top to bottom, nut and bolt, and it shows it. So if you're looking for a Mopar, desirable, good-looking, fast, the only 10 I know is my wife. It's the only one I give a 10. This car's a 9.5. She almost ranks up there with Stace. So what we'll do is we'll take it around the block here, and then we'll throw it on the hoist so we can see exactly what she looks like on the bottom too.
Sounds good.
Okay, thanks, Shorty.